Now, as you see with the animation, it seems to have like a warping effect because everything is actually kind of getting warped by the blur. So keep that in mind. And if you don't want such a heavy warping effect, start off with a less of a ray length. So I'll show you that with the less of the ray length. And I hit U to bring up my properties that have keyframes on them. So let's go to the next one for ray length, and we'll start it off at something like 30. Now I'll preview this again. Hopefully it doesn't take a long time again, but it looks like it is. So pretty much it's not going to be as crazy as the last animation that we just looked at. But I wanted to show you both ways to see, so you could see what was going on. Also, you may not want to go exactly to 0 on this, but that's up to you. I just wanted to show you like pretty much how it looked. So let's go on to a solid and show you what it looks like on that, or a certain layer. So we'll turn off the adjustment layer, so it's just like this now. And I'll bring up just a solid as a background. And now I'm going to add the light burst onto this. Generate CC light burst. And now this is what it does when it's on the background. It kind of creates a bright spot, which can be nice sometimes. So you've got the bright spot that you can see in the back, and if you increase the ray length or anything like that, it's just going to increase the size of the bright spot there. The intensity is going to set up how, or increase how intense that light is in the middle, like that. So you can put on some like hot spots, or you can simulate like a sun or something like that if you wanted to. Now if I click on the, I'm going to put it back in the middle here, and if I click on the different types here, we got straight, which is no effect, different than the fade here when it's on the background. Then we got center, which you can see like it creates like a box like effect for some reason. So that's what I wanted to show you with the different types here. Now fade. Oop, I clicked on the wrong thing. Let's click on this, and we'll bring it up here into the corner or something like that. Now you can see how it looks like there's like a light source coming from like the corner. So this is a good way to add like a light source, and then you can use that light source looking object to put like a spotlight up there, and then use it to shine onto your logo or something like that if you're trying to light it up correctly or make it more realistic. So let's throw it on to like one of the logo items here and see what happens. So I'm going to delete it off of here so we don't have to worry about it being all over the place. And we've got our logo here. We'll put it right in the one on the middle and put CC light burst on. And now you can see that it fades out on these ones. Now it's going to act pretty much like it did on the picture and everything else. Well, the intensity I put way up by accident. That's not what I wanted to do, but it'll blur out and lighten up the object here. Or I can decrease it and it doesn't do it as much, but that's how it works on that. So you want to make sure that your center is probably on it, but if we take it off, you can add the blur and shoot the blur out to the side if you put it down to the side. Now since this object here is going to have an alpha, the halo alpha should work on here. So let me put this back in the middle, and let me click on the halo alpha button, and you can see what it does. It just makes an outline around the alpha. So that's what the halo alpha button does, and you can use that as an effect if you ever need to in the time of, I don't know, if some client comes up with something like that, hey, I want one that's inside out. So there you go. You can turn down the ray length and turn down like the intensity and stuff like that. So that's what it looks like at 100%. It's pretty much an outline. So there you go. That's how you use the CC light burst effect to create different effects. And now you guys are a pro at using that effect. So thanks for watching the tutorial. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. And keep on lighting stuff up. Bye-bye, everybody.